slippery it is out there, y'all. She waiting on the ice cream off the car and everything. It's really ice out there, like sound like rocks on the floor, like oh.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's up, Picture Rolling fam? It's your boy Shay. Yeah, starting the vlog off, y'all. We go check up on me for right now. She's trying to, she getting dolled up right now. Hey, babe.
Hop up out the bed, turn my swag on.
But yeah, that's what she doing right now. Yeah, gotta go to the doctor's office again, y'all. But hey, you gotta take care of yourself. So, we're gonna take y'all on the journey with us today. And y'all know the rest. When we get there, you know. Just made it to the doctor's office, y'all. Y'all check out my pen. Like I said, love is not having to hold you apart. That's a good joke.
I didn't know that. Yes. They said letting out is better than holding it in.
Yeah, they say. But right now I'm doing some I'm waiting to do some blood work. So wait till they call my name. So till then, been watching this.
That's boring. That's not even interesting. They could have had it on Good Morning America or something. I don't know. Nobody knows what this is. Nobody pays attention to it. Where's the coffee? I need coffee.
You finna go get some coffee. Watch. We got y'all. Well, I'm on blood right now, y'all. I don't like needles. So I'm gonna turn away while y'all look. Ugh, I can't look. Woo-hoo. Oh, I ain't even feel nothing. Well, the big needles don't really hurt.
Not if you know what you're doing.
Cause like the little small ones, they be hurting, they be digging in your vein, trying to find it.
No, nope. Working good.
No, you didn't order online.
Okay.
Well, it's the blood work, y'all. I told y'all to get some coffee. What coffee you finna get?
Caffeinated.
And caffeinated make you go to the bathroom? Okay. I drink caffeinated.
No, I want the one that said.
You didn't get that last time.
Yes, I did.
But yeah, I'll get some coffee then. We finna go. Yep. Got a cup of coffee. We're ahead of time right now, huh? We're ahead of time. We're ahead of time. Is we ahead of time, like?
Where?
We trying to wait. Okay, we waiting.
So we can go to Hardee's and sit in there. Or McDonald's, sit in there.
Okay, cool.
How are you?
I look good, y'all. Having hard. I got 2 sliders, y'all. Some fries. We having a date, y'all.
Chicken sandwich.
So we ain't gonna record too long because we don't want to get copyright. So you know how that go. Hey, Star. Go pick up Star, y'all. Look, back on Ohio River over here. Y'all see the houses on the hill.
The house on the hill. Just don't get no better than that. I'm only supposed to go 30 miles through here.
Well, I'm trying to look for them houses, like, these some nice houses, y'all. That's nice. It's like a lot of
Look at
trees.
this one right here. Ooh.
You feel like that one.
Oh my God, that's my favorite one.
Maybe we can live there.
Somebody already living there.
That's their house.
You can ask them all you want.
That was this my house. I built this.
I don't know if this is a hill we on.
Oh man, we on Creepers Hill, y'all.
Creepers, creepers. Is that what you
I
said?
said Creepy Hill, son. What that movie called?
I don't think we're on a hill. I think we're on a mountain.
Oh.
I think we on a mountain.
Because mountains have rails.
I'll look over there. Ohio River though. There's some nice houses though on the hill. You can see everything coming, everything going.
That might that one. Not that one, the one before that one.
We going across the bridge. When we cross, welcome to Kentucky. Kentucky. You look to your left. I mean, you're right. You look to your
We
left.
get on the big part here.
No, we
Sir, do you see this big bridge in front of us? Hard pounding.
Oh, there's water. Water.
You heard me?
Yeah, y'all are pounding. But it's okay. It's good. We good. It's okay. Some moment of silence, y'all.
Or about the Chandler News Place. Behind this big building.
Finally made it to our
Stuff
destination.
off of Amazon. I don't know what that is. That's wrong.
Y'all, look how big these chairs is. You see how big that chair is? I'm zooming.
They gotta make them wide now.
You see how big the chair is? Look, both of them sitting in one. Oh, my bad.
Is that right?
Both of them sitting in that chair right there.
She using your email to buy this.
Perfect.
How you know my email? Oh, man.
These chairs built for big people now, boy. They make it wide.
You got a lot of package back here.
Some people just need a little extra room. That's all.
Daddy,
What?
wait, I already sent the email and now I need to write the name.
Oh, man, they ain't gonna send it to you.
No, but mommy,
No.
that's fine. No.
Come on, Stara.
No.
Why?
Mom, no. Stop.
Yep.
I didn't see nothing.
Taking y'all to what? So I ain't gonna say secluded. Well, a lot of people don't know about it. A little detour. Call this the wrong turn.
Okay.
Wow, the wrong turn. Who remember that movie? Comment down below. Y'all check this out. They right over there looking at us.
He held his head up when I did it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Oh my God.
I think that they looked at us.
Y'all see it over there? It's right over there. Like y'all see my hand that right there? See
Go in
it
close. Go in close.
I zoomed in.
That's the farthest you can zoom?
Yeah, I just.
My phone got more zoom than yours.
I'm just gonna get him. You know what now?
Oh, excuse me, y'all.
Oh, they're looking at. Wait, they're not walking.
Yeah,
They have horns.
Y'all, I know y'all see it right there.
Can they hear from far away?
They can hear real good. Are you opening that? Y'all, it's a blizzard, y'all.
I got it on my app stuff.
This is a blizzard right here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's a blizzard right now. We might get 10 inches of snow going around.
Look at the grass.
Yeah, close that door. Y'all, it's freezing out there.
Oh my God! Snow got in my eye.
It's our first time. Well, it's our first time experiencing the blizzard. This your first time, babe?
Try again.
And it's Nica's first time too experiencing this blizzard right here. So, yeah, man, I wish I could go out there and go.
I can go.
Nope, you ain't going out there because you're gonna mess up the camera. Gonna get wet. I don't want the camera to get wet.
Okay.
But
I'm going out, everyone.
open the door right quick. Well, y'all can't see it, but it's coming down like crazy.
There we go.
Good morning. It just woke up. Just getting up. Star was still asleep in the room. Nico in the bathroom. It was snowing last night, as y'all can see. Yeah, like a little blizzard or something. We check outside. Look outside. If it's open. Feet keep on getting stuck. I'm outside now. Hope I can open the door. Ice. Snowflakes out here. Kids playing in the snow. It's cold. They say it feel like 3 degrees out here. It snowed all night, y'all. That's how I'm looking outside. It's ice out there. Like literally ice is on top of the snow. So stay up this way. Be careful. That's all I can say. But other than that, I'm about to go make me a snow cone. See, that's how I'm at. No, Star gonna be up soon. I don't know if y'all can see me. Star gonna be up soon. And she gonna go outside. She gonna go outside. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make me a snow cone. So I'm gonna show y'all how you can make a free slushie. A lot of people don't know if I already know about it. And a lot of people be like, oh man, that's no nasty, this and that. On the top layer of the snow, it's good. God makes it so. Ain't dirty like that. Now back y'all look, y'all. Well, I think I may have to get no snow now. Like some dirt on there. Hold on 1 second, y'all. I gotta find a good spot for grab my ice. Hold on 1 second. As y'all can see, I got my snow. Got my snow in the cup. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, it's junky in there. We're gonna pull it out soon. Got my snow in the cup. Get your Gatorade. I said Gatorade. Yeah, Kool-Aid. Put that thing in the cup. I ain't put a lot. And you got your slushie in your cup. Good too. I see that. Let me get this out too. How you get a free slush? Just can't believe it. It's snowing outside. See the flakes like. Oh, that's Star. I said Star. That's Nifa right there. She don't want to be seen because she ain't like get freshened up, so you know how that go. But it's snowing outside. Oh, that's the snowflakes. When you take a picture of it and they show you the shape of the snowflake. Oh yeah. Question. We had to talk about this, and you was talking about Nifa was saying all snowflakes look the same.
I didn't say that. All snowflakes are different.
Who we had to argue? You said, "Oh, all of this is the same," and I said, "Nah, God make everything different, just how you make a different butterfly."
Okay, go ahead.
What we was talking about then? Everyone in the snow.
I have no idea now.
I don't know. It was a while back though. We was talking about that saying.
Oh, I was saying like it's so much snow. It gotta be. Some of them got to be the same.
Some of them got to be the same. Me, how? This is just my belief. I think when God makes something, He make everything different. You never see the same twin. You never see the same dog. You never seen the same. I don't care how much you clone something, it's gonna be something different. That's my opinion. What's y'all opinion on that? Oh, told me to watch her. See how slippery it is out there, y'all. She went into the ice on off the car and everything. It's really ice out there, like sound like rocks on the floor, like oh. Oh, be careful. Hey, y'all remember these steps from Home Alone, the movie Home Alone? They would up the step, they were slippery. Yeah, be careful.
Yeah. I'm not going to eat it.
Okay. She might throw a snowball.
No eating snow. Throw the snow.
But yup.
I'm going to get them out.
Oh, no, I don't want you to fall and break the camera. It's real slippery out there, so.
Right here.
Yep. But, well, you can go right there. Don't go nowhere else right there.
Well, this is the results. There is a little snow. There's the ice. More ice. And look at the snow. How cool is that? I want to say no eating snow because I got my throat hurting and I'm going to the store and I'm getting LOL. Do you like my hat? Well then I'm going to.
Yeah, we gonna end this vlog out. What?
We're ending this vlog out, y'all, with me cooking dinner. Something that most of y'all have already seen me do.
We love lasagna. I mean, we love Italian food, y'all. We love it.
Yeah. I'm just melting down some butter right now. Just melting some butter.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now you can.
We eat some what we eating today?
Crab pasta.
Crab pasta today. So
Alfredo, crab
Hi.
Alfredo. Crab Alfredo. Yay, yay. I'm putting some Frio. I'm a little heavy-handed today. Oh, too
What?
heavy-handed. I got a little too heavy-handed. You know, I don't like nothing